Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. If this is your first time to this channel, welcome. On this channel, we talk about how can we invest into the stock market in order for us to retire and live off our dividends early. Now, a big part of dividend investing is that you have to invest into dividend companies. Now, it's up in the air on if companies perform better if they pay out dividends versus companies that don't pay out dividends, which is called growth stocks. But on this channel, we talk about a lot of dividend investing so that we can retire early. Now, with that being said, you can't put all of your eggs in one basket, because just like the last stock market crash and in the last pandemic, the stock market dropped by 30% within a month, and all of your stocks that was invested into the stock market pretty much plummeted. That's why it's great to have a diverse portfolio. Now, this is the start of a series where I'm going to talk about how can you diversify your investments. Now, a lot of people invest into the stock market. A lot of people invest into real estate. It's not as easy to get into real estate as it is. So I'm going to show you guys a lot of different options on how you can diversify your portfolio so that when you get sucker punched, you still got another eye that you can see out of to fight back against the stock market crash. Now, in this episode, we're going to talk about investing into gold. That's right, G-O-L-D. Why wear it? Why wear gold if you're not going to invest in gold yourself? Gold is another way of diversifying your portfolio. Let me show you guys right quick. Let me go ahead and zoom that in right there. Let's see if it picks it up. There it goes. All right, there it goes. It picked it up. This is gold. This is a pimp gold bar. This is 1 gram worth of gold. I have 3 little gold bars over here. If we flip it over to the back, make sure that you guys, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you invest into gold. This is 999.9 gold. That means it's pretty much pure, absolutely pure gold. If I take this out the packet and try to bend it, it's just gonna bend, because we all know gold is a soft metal, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that you can invest into gold to diversify your portfolio. So when the stock market takes a hit, you won't get sucker punched and all of your money gone. I'm going to show you how gold compared to the S&P 500 through different recessions and through different stock crashes, how gold compared to that. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so I can show you 3 different ways to invest in gold. But before we dive into that, make sure that you guys hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel a lot. I put a lot of time into making these videos, so just hitting the thumbs up button lets me know that you appreciate these videos on teaching you guys how to invest into different investments for you. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, because trust me, I got some big diversification videos coming out that's outperforming the S&P 500 tenfold. So make sure that you guys subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on that. So with that being said, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600. Who knows, you could probably get one of the stocks I'm going to talk about in this video that could get you some free gold just by signing up with Webull by clicking the link down in the description and depositing $100. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on Robinhood, and we're gonna put a little VOO. It is a Vanguard that tracks the S&P 500 ETF. I own 1 share. If we take a look at the last 5 years, you can see when the market took a very big dip. Once in 2018 in October, it dipped all the way from $269 to $227. And then of course the big dip in 2020. We all know what happened in 2020. It took that big old dip right there to the all-time lows for the last couple of years, and then it eventually ended up recovering. There's a lot of reasons that the stock market ended up recovering so quick that I'm not going to get into this video today, but it did crash. Some people portfolios went from $100,000 down to $30,000 overnight, losing $60,000 if you was investing into VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. And if you're not ready for that kind of risk, the most stable valuable metal there is out there to invest in is gold. It holds its value throughout the ages. It might not go up dramatically over time or outperform the S&P 500, but gold holds its value and it does increase over time. Even recently this year, they said that gold might have an all-time high of $3,000 in the next year or so. So that might be a good investment to invest in gold. You could make a couple of dollars on the ride up, even though gold is at an all-time high right now. Gold is just so stable that when the stock market crash, gold doesn't. And one of the easiest ways to invest into gold is to buy one of gold's ETFs. And I'm going to show you right now. So if you're on Robinhood, all you're going to do is type in GLD, which is the SPDR Gold Trust. It is a gold ETF. And as you guys can see, you do not see the stock market dip in 2020. And gold is so stable, the ETF is at its nearest all-time high of $182.54. Right now it's at $175.57. Now this ETF market cap is at $73.37 billion. It's pretty much the gold standard if you want to invest into any ETF. This is the one to go to if you guys want to actually invest into gold. The easiest way, if you want to invest into gold tomorrow, if you want to invest into gold after this video, after you hit the thumbs up on this video, you could go and invest into this company, ASAP, and that is one of the easiest ways to invest into gold. Now, the other way to invest into gold is to actually buy billions, which is pretty cool, or buy gold bars or gold coins. This is the coolest way to invest into gold. Now you actually have 100% real gold in your hands that's inside your house that you could just store away in a safe or show off to friends, because a lot of people don't see 100% pure gold. Now investing into a gold ETF like this is cool, but you really don't have anything to show for it. It's nothing that you're holding in your hands. Now these gold bars is, it's something physical, something that you can hold on to, pass on to your grandkids while the value of gold goes up, and it's just cool. Unlike this, 14, 16, 24 karat gold jewelry that we wear, this is 100% gold. 24 carats ain't got nothing on 100% gold. This is amazing. So one of the simplest ways to buy this is to go to this website. The website is JM Bullion. I have no affiliates with JM Bullion, but this is where I picked up these gold bars from. Now, it's a game to this. Now they have different collection of coins that they come out that you guys can buy. Limited edition coins of gold that you guys can buy, that you can hold on to. It could go up in rarity, it could go up in value, and your gold could be even worth more of the gold value itself. It would go up in price just because of the limited edition coins that came out. Now me, I like investing into gold bars. It's pretty cool. Coins is cool too. And I'm going to show you guys which gold ones I have. I have Paps. There it goes. I have the 1 gram bars of Paps. I have a couple of them, which is at $87.39 for 1 gram of gold. Is $87.39. I believe I picked. There we go. I'm getting paid dividends. That's while I'm making this video, which is why dividends are so cool. All right, so this 1 gram, I think I picked up at around $70 or around $65, and now gold is at $87. So I did make profit on these 3 golds of bars, which is at 1 gram. They have 2.5 grams. They have 5 grams. They have 10 grams. So let's see how much an ounce of gold is going for. Here you go. You could pick up 1 ounce of gold for $1,923. That's just 1 ounce of gold. And remember, there's a difference in between 1 ounce and a troy ounce. I forget the gram difference, but there is. Don't get scammed if you're trying to buy gold off of eBay or Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or anything like that. Know the difference in between an ounce and a troy ounce. It is a big difference, and I don't want you guys to lose money. So this is the second way that you guys could pick up gold, is to go to JM Bullion and purchase gold. And I think they ship to my house in like 2 to 3 business days. It didn't take long at all. If I want to sell it, I can sell it back to them. I can sell it on eBay for a markup price. I could just take it to one of these places that actually buy gold at a gold value. So that is the cool thing about having gold bars. Okay, so now the third way to invest into gold is to actually invest into mining companies that mine golds. Now there are a bunch of different stocks on Robinhood, a bunch of different gold mining stocks on Robinhood that I'm gonna let you guys do your own research, because I don't want to give you a bad one and say, hey, you know, you tell me about this company and they fail. No, you guys do your own research on which mining companies that you want to invest into. Investing into gold mining companies is like investing into oil for cars or electric charging stations for electric vehicles. That's the same thing as investing into gold mining companies for gold. So if you want to be a gold investor, you could either buy gold ETFs, gold bullions like physical gold, or you can invest into gold, or you can invest into gold mining companies, different stocks out there. There are hundreds of them out there. Just find the one that is best for you. But those are 3 different ways that you can invest into gold if you want to diversify your portfolio. Because as you've seen, stuff can happen, and stuff can happen really, really fast. And 2020 has been a crazy year, and the stock market crashed, and luckily it recovered very, very fast. But a lot of people at that time had lost a lot of money and pulled that money out and leave it inside the stock market. So unfortunately, they missed out on the recovery. So if you're not ready for that type of risk, gold might be a great buy for you. Or if not, just have some gold in your portfolio as a form of diversification. And also, for you guys that stay to the end of the video, the 4th way to invest into gold is to actually buy gold jewelry. Gold jewelry holds its value. It holds its value, and especially if it's a gold watch like a Rolex or a gold piece of chain. It holds its value in weight on how much gold is in that chain. And also any decorative pieces, collector items, designer rings, those type of gold items hold that value. Jewelry hold that value, especially if they're made out of precious metals like gold. So if you stay to the end of this video, make sure that you leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know if you own any gold yourself. If you do, how much? Did you know there is a difference in between an ounce and a troy ounce? Let me know down in the comment section. I read all the comments and I'll try to reply to each and every one. But make sure you guys leave the thumbs up on this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future diversification videos. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.